Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. And so we got the GoPro ready to go. We got the beautiful sunset here at Daytona, and we got Todd in Myles.
Yep, he's here.
So we're gonna get Myles to be able to drive on the road course here at License to Drive at Daytona International Speedway for the road course.
Last time we had 130 horsepower of pure 2-liter Ford 4-cylinder. Now we've got 5.3 liters of cammed LS, almost 400 horsepower.
Exactly.
Maybe a little bit less.
And how many tons?
Yeah, it's just under 6,000 pounds.
Yep,
So, but with 410 gears, so we should scoop just fine.
Exactly, yeah, it should be
appropriate.
So, yep. 55-mile-an-hour speed limit, no driving on the major banks, only on the trail.
The Camaro looks like he had fun.
Yep.
No griping at the people in front of us.
Yeah, because there's nobody in front of us.
55 is the maximum. That doesn't mean we do 55 the whole way, although I would prefer that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so since you're in the front, you gotta go the speed of whatever the pace car decides to go.
At least we'll have clean air too.
Yes.
So,
anyways, well, that's gonna be fun.
But yeah, so we'll be under the lights on the road course, and look at that beautiful sunset.
Yeah, so this is really good because I mean another $50 to be able to come out and drive on the course for 2 laps, 55 miles an hour. They also have these nice little license plates, Florida NASCAR for the kids, little promotional carbon cardboard license plates. I mean that's kind of cool to add on there.
It's a charity thing too. It's tax
Exactly.
deductible too.
Yeah, if you think about it. So yeah.
So I don't know how that works with if you pay by cash or whatever. But anyways,
Not sure. But
So.
anyways, but still,
it should be fun.
This should be fun, and it's going to be some crazy light to be able to do it on too. So should be cool.
Especially just after visiting here on. Amy was here Friday. I was
Saturday.
here Friday. Amy
You were here
was
Friday.
here Saturday watching the Roar.
Yeah.
So being able to drive on that same course, that'd be pretty cool.
Exactly. So.
Can't wait.
Alright. So we'll bring it back when we start rolling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Check how much that is.
No. Okie dokie, guys, on the track at night with a very flashy Toyota Avalon pace car in front of us. So that's going to be kind of bright. But you got the grandstands all lit up over there. Here we got the track lit up all the way back here.
Wish you could just go to front stroke.
Yeah. But this way you can track his progress a little bit better. So. Because I bet they have somebody watching from up top to make sure everybody's lined up and stuff. Yeah, because you got to make sure everybody's grouped up and on the track before he goes. So. Because he has to have the other vehicle following to make sure everybody's staying where they're supposed to be. Like we saw that weird Kia Soul that wasn't with everybody. That was a little weird.
It's interesting. That bank of the track, they don't have the lights on. Oh, they got carousel up. That wasn't up on Friday.
Oh yeah, but they got to get that up and then be able to test it for safety. So that'll be interesting.
Everybody wasn't here last time. Was it before or after the Rolex? Last year. That's weird.
It was right after the Roar, I think. It was right after the Roar. So I mean, but I think did they have a week in between?
Yeah, they might.
Yeah, they might have an extra week between last time.
This is back to back.
Yeah. So. That's cool. Got the big giant billboards right next to us and stuff.
Just imagine doing a 190, 200 down.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really hard in the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're at 15.
Okay.
So it kind of has a 5 in it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, they got new turtles set up. Yeah, that's new. Ooh, that's interesting. So that's new for this year, because I know on the back way over here they had to set up extra turtles for the NASCARs when they were running the road course. So interesting. Yeah, that's some whiter turtles that they're running there. Cool.
You're making sure you are not going
Mm-hmm. Yep. There's no need to be on the bank. It's pitch black over here.
do a window so it's better for the picture.
Some of these guys, they go side by side. Once they get up here, they just like, yeah, let's go race hard. Banking, banking. Woo! I love banking. That is so crazy.
Now we got the 55.
Nothing like feeling that banking just at the tri-oval. You can't imagine what the banking on the turns 1, 2, 3, and 4 is, but the banking on the tri-oval, that is so much fun. It is nothing like experiencing that. Oh, that is nice and tight.
Oh, so pretty.
Oh, that is very pretty.
Look at everybody.
There's a lot of people cycling in and out of the infield. Just... Oh, but there's so many motorhomes here. Oh, wow. That's cool.
banks.
Yeah, the bank. Yeah.
Lights on there.
Mm-hmm. It's just crazy because it's like, it really doesn't look like it's that tall, but it is tall. It's like, you don't think the tri-oval is tall until you walk on it, and then it's like, woo! It is a mind stunner every time. You just, oh god. The cones are out there a little bit weird. Nope. Following him. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. 2 laps, remember? 2 laps.
Oh,
Yep.
I forgot.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. It was just that they had the cone so far out in the road. I was like, that's weird.
Sorry, peeps.
But this way everybody got a little bit of space so they could accelerate a little bit more. So that would get.
This stuff's falling.
Yep.
Eventually I'll get this.
But it's like they'd never had the cones out that far in the road. It's like, what in the world's going on with that? That's kind of weird.
I was starting to wanting to complain a little bit. It's like, what? We didn't get it going anywhere. That's a really good value.
It is, yep. And luckily this guy's not being a slowpoke either, so that's kind of nice.
It worked it good where you get your promo lap there.
Mm-hmm. That is such an awesome view. Loving it.
That's going to be an awesome picture.
Yep. You know, he's got to love driving that thing too. What's amazing about that is like you hit those in the wrong sequence on like a lap and stuff, and it's like there is no traction because it's so flat. At least we haven't had anybody cutting through this way and that way on the course. That's kind of nice. That was nuts. It's like, that was totally out of control that time. I don't know what was going on with that, but it's like...
It was pretty busy back there.
Yeah.
Behavior.
Oh yeah, but everyone's getting spread out. Look at that.
Must have done. is so cool. Having to sit over there on the other side of the fence and watch it. And I'm going to be down up here as well.
Yep. You didn't even have to spend a small fortune.
It's more driving.
Yeah. Yep. Now we're good. Let's go.
Awesome.